Okay, the animals here, they do not like loud noises. They like it when you are calm and quiet. So I would ask, please, be calm and quiet when we're seeing them. The animals, they like to be pet, but they do not like their faces being touched. 3 and 6 foot long. She's like 4.5.
Hilang nga be. Yan, kapit be. Hilang nga.
Alright, smile.
Yeah. Okay. Plenty na yan.
Good job, good job.
Stop.
Mommy's back at another zoo.
This is your group. They're supposed to come in. Oh, no. Under the rock. So when I sit
It's even weirder is
It's not taken from the kangaroo. It's
I hold the bottle like, I hold it like this.
you know, that's the beauty of the park. Everybody has
Bottom sauce up.
Now cruise control. Cruise control.
And when you're doing that, you're going to listen, you're going to think about what pattern does the bark have, and does every tree look the same? Now I have a question. Why do trees have bark? To protect them, that's right. It's like our skin. We have skin. When we want people...
Funny colored arrow away. You see how that is? Whoa! Good one. Whoa! Whoa! Excellent. Okay. Strong, strong, strong. All right. Tilt it like that. There you go. Okay. All right. Whoa, okay. Now you got it. You just have to shoot it a little bit lower. More. Whoa!
Wow, good job.
Okay. All right. Can you go get those back there, or do you want me to get them?
Wow.
This is a chicken. Do you see it in there? It's a dog.
This is a bear, I think, right here.
This is a dog, right? Is this right? That's a cat. That's a cat.
Another call made by chickadees called the springtime call sounds similar to cheeseburger.
Go!
Good job.
You got this, let me come.
The tiger comes before.
It's 39.
He's doing good. He's doing pretty good. Come on, run,
Come on,
run, run.
run. You got this. Keep running.
Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her.
Run.
Your turn, your turn. Run.
How much turn? Hey, Brad. Left feet. How do you go all the way down?
Ha ha ha!